Oh boy, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Armani That Car, back to you guys with a brand new video. And yes, it's another Thursday. As you see by the title and thumbnail, I'm at a car meet and we're gonna do a What Grinds My Gears video with random people. So, yeah, I know I haven't done a What Grinds My Gears video in I don't know how long. So, just a bite. But I'm here at this meeting, regular meeting in Chesterfield that's on Thursdays. And, okay, Mark 4, Mark 5 Super, hold on. Dope right there, okay. Some slight, but I don't know, I'm just about to walk around and just ask people random shit about what grinds their gears about the car community. So, let's see what happens.
What's up, bro?
What's up? I'm doing What Grinds My Gears video. So what grinds y'all gears about the car community in general?
Which one? You want the Mopar, the Mustangs, or the
all the above, dog.
Mopar, I hate y'all rev all the time and always clown, and then every time y'all hit the gas, I think y'all drifting and y'all got that wheel, but y'all really just burning rubber and hitting the gas and just turning. That's all y'all doing. Ain't no drifts. Mustang owners.
And he owns a Mustang.
Y'all are some douches. Y'all are some straight douches. Y'all don't give a fuck about anybody else's perspective. BMW owners. They pull up to the scene like
we be chilling, bro.
Nah, they pull up to the scene like I'm that nigga.
We be how I pull up today. I'm chilling. I don't rev. I don't downshift. I don't downshift. I don't rev. I don't do none of that.
No, y'all don't have to. Y'all just pull up with the attitude.
You know why?
Like,
y'all know why? Because all y'all cars slow.
Yeah.
See? That's what I'm talking about. This R32 is freaking clean. The engine bay on this thing. Oh my god. This is clean. Wheels. Car seats. That's dope. I don't know, I like this. I really want one myself. Shit. Y'all know who it is. Twisted GT. Lucy 8.
At like 540 or something.
And a red ZR1 that I've never seen before, but it's also very clean. What's up, fucker?
What's up?
What's up? What's up, dude?
You gonna go get food? I'm hungry.
Where?
In the valley.
I'm staying here. I'm doing a
There was no food truck.
I'm doing a What Grinds My Gears video, car scene edition. What grinds your gears?
Ooh.
This thing will start grinding gears in like 10,000 miles. It really will.
And my my motor will start knocking in like 5,000 or so. My turbo will blow in about 2,000.
BMW problems.
Yeah. I don't know really. I don't have anything that fucking grinds my gears right now.
What grinds your gears about the car community?
Oh, what grinds my gears is your audio in the last video.
I know.
Did you have the mic on?
I don't know why I turned it up to 400%, but yeah.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. I've been asking people what grinds their, what makes them mad, or what grinds their gears about the car community.
Which part?
Anything.
Like this community or like our community?
No, car community in general.
Oh, just in general?
Yeah.
The fools revving their engines.
Yeah.
Pumps. Busters.
Yeah.
Scrubs.
Yeah.
Poor people. Them would grind my gears.
Thing sounds terrible, low key. Nathan, what grinds your gears about the car community?
that I can't wear this shirt. That's it.
Tuna no crust, baby.
I can't wear the shirt. That's
See, you can do some Paul Walker song. It goes right with the shirt. So what you
Thank you, sir.
the only thing that I don't like is that I can't wear that shirt right now.
It's all good.
Kiss you.
What?
That's about it.
What?
Last car meet I went to a long time ago, I would say, I would agree that the revving kind of got to be a little bit better because, you know, people's ears can get damaged and stuff. But on the real, be careful with the burnouts, man. Last time there's some big burnouts. I even heard somebody spun out and crashed their car. So you gotta be careful with the burnouts because the last thing you want to do is hurting people. But I would say revving and burnouts has got to stop, man. Be careful. There's people around you.
Especially if you know your car is a four-banger and it doesn't sound good.
Yeah.
Please don't do it. Please
Bring your
refrain.
shit boxes here.
Right. Not unless it's something like this. Like a twin turbo pipe.
What you got?
Yeah. And if it's like a Mustang, that
Ooh.
If it's like a Mustang that sounds loud, but it's not fast at all, don't do it.
Yeah.
Please,
Yeah.
spare everybody.
Like, something like when I got my Mazda 3 for the first time, I was dogging it just because I thought it'd be fun. But I realized, man, the more you dog it for no reason, it's never gonna sound better. It's never gonna be fun. You gotta be careful.
Right.
So, you know, just be careful. Know what you got. You gotta be real. You gotta know what you got. You gotta be real. You know?
And for those who don't know, this is Ref One.
Wrath One. I do some car videos too. My channel's RATH1. So check it out.
I'll put the link in the description.
Appreciate it. Check it out. You know.
We went to high school together, Court and Chris too.
Yeah,
so
once high school,
we've been
Pattonville gang in there.
Pattonville, yeah,
Pattonville, you know. So
all that. So I got boy Justin.
What's happening?
I was hanging out with Griffin, but what drives you do about that?
Mustang. Only Mustangs.
Nah, man. How you doing, bro? See this Viper right here, bro? It's fast. See that gas down over there, bro? It's fast.
Oh, bro. I didn't think it's the death. It was quiet. I went to dip brake.
Griffin? Yeah, well, last time you broke that fucking mount.
car, Ultima.
Called it a what? Ultima, bro. Maxima, bitch.
Maxima, bitch.
Okay, so I'm on my way home because I've been holding this freaking cup full of Chick-fil-A stuff and I've been needing to go to the bathroom for the longest time. I know it's a little bit too much information, but hey, I just gotta let y'all know because sometimes, whew, gotta go. That was a catfish Camaro? Okay, never mind, let me not get sidetracked. But I hope you guys like this what grinds my gear video out in the public versus me sitting down in a room somewhere. But other than that, I'm actually gonna start a podcast for this. I'm actually gonna start a podcast for this and still make the video so y'all can see what happens in the video version. And if you don't, you can just listen to it. I don't know, I'm still debating on where I want to put it, on Spotify or somewhere, because I don't really want to put ads and bore nobody. So other than that, I'm done talking about it. But thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys like this video. And please consider subscribing because I got more stuff coming this year, even though coronavirus is still kicking. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.